What are you doing, Milo?
Cooking.
You're cooking? I thought you were jumping. Wow.
Did you see that before?
Did I see it before? Yeah, I've seen it before. You having fun? You're falling all over the place.
No, all over the place.
No, where are you going?
My fun all over the place. Fun all over the place.
What are you doing?
Fun all over the place.
You got a bad bite on your leg, don't you?
My was an iPad. But I go with it.
Daddy went outside with the iPad.
And he's sitting.
Is he sitting?
Yeah.
What do you think he's doing?
Sitting on a picnic table.
He's sitting on the picnic table. It's dark outside.
Yeah. Daddy gets dark when he goes outside.
Daddy gets dark?
Yeah.
Your nose itchy?
No, of course, Dad will come back and Dad will give the iPad to you.
To Milo?
Yeah.
Of course he will.
End up on edge.
You're gonna jump on the edge? Alright, let's see it. Jump off. Jump.
End up off the edge.